Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for his question. The Ministry of Housing and Community Development was set up in the year 2018 to be a separate ministry so that it can achieve the government's vision of increasing home ownership across the country. Mr. Speaker, sir, the first home ownership initiative was introduced in 2014 with an aim to provide affordable and quality housing for Fijians with low and middle income category. Since the inception of the first home ownership program, the ministry has assisted a total of 2,978 Fijian households with a total payout in excess of $28.6 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, the ministry is continuing with its home ownership program through first home purchase and first land purchase and providing interest rate subsidy to assist Fijians to purchase or construct their first home. And there is a good news, Mr. Speaker, sir. This program is going to continue in the next financial year, and it will benefit a number of Fijians to realize their dream of owning their first home. Mr. Speaker, sir, government made a huge commitment by increasing the grant amount for construction from 15,000 to 30,000 in this financial year for those with annual household income of 50,000 and below. The assistance for purchase of first home for this category was also increased from 10,000 to 15,000. Mr. Speaker, sir, those earning above 50,000 annually were granted 20,000 to build their first home and 5,000 to buy their first home. Mr. Speaker, sir, this bold decision was made by the government to encourage more Fijians to invest in their first home construction, as this would contribute towards greater economic activities in the construction and financial sectors of the economy, considering the current challenging economic conditions as a result of COVID-19. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm pleased to inform that a total of 334 families have been assisted under this program so far. A total of 184 families received the grant to construct their first home, 110 families received the grant to purchase their first home, and 40 families received the grant to purchase their first land. The total payout is over $5 million. What is more important is the level of economic activity this particular program has created. Mr. Speaker, sir, the assistance provided under this program helped Fijians to borrow from financial institutions in excess of 42 million. Simply means we gave 5 million, but they borrowed 42 million. And by borrowing 42 million from the various financial institutions, definitely creates opportunities for economic activities. And Mr. Speaker, sir, it simply means more employment in the construction sector and the related supply chain, such as building materials and so forth. This in turn circulates money in the economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is important to note that the real benefit to the economy from this program is almost 8-fold compared to the investment made. Mr. Speaker, sir, the funding allocated for the First Home Grant Assistance Program for the current financial year has been fully utilized. However, the demand for the grant has been overwhelming. Ministry has received further 152 applications, and this will require just over $3 million to service these applications. Mr. Speaker, sir, these additional applicants have their loans already approved to a sum of $20 million. Given the overall positive impact of this program on the Fijian economy, the good news is the Minister for Economy will be redirecting additional funds to support these applicants. and these applicants will be supported within this financial year. The Minister for Economy assured this during the to the Fijian public during his online budget consultation. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very pleased with this particular program. It is not only helping Fijians to own a home, build a home, but it is also contributing hugely to our financial sector as well as to our construction industry and the supply chain. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.